so this is the product running just as I showed it to you before. And you can see now it's been running for actually quite a while because it took me a while to save that last video. So the total number of gigas is around 10. Maybe it sometimes goes up to 20. Now I'm going to stop it and I'm going to run it again. I actually changed some of the settings. So for one thing, now I say that there can be 40 apples instead of 20 apples. So I quickly changed that. Obviously, there's more food available. The other thing I said is that when they become a parent, instead of there only being 3 children, now they can have 5 children. So let's see what happens when we run this. My guess is this number is going to get a lot higher than, at most, it was 20 before. So here we go. It's going to become a parent. And it made 5 children instead of just 3 children. And we're already at a giga count of 18. We've broken the 20 barrier. Now we're at 50, 54. Something tells me we're going to end up with a lot of gigas. 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, so you can see, hopefully, that just changing that variable, or those variables, changed the model significantly. And one of the reasons we're doing this project is to understand modeling and to understand how the assumptions that you make are hugely important in terms of what will end up happening in your model. So one of the goals of this project is not just to build it, but also to experiment with it and play with the variables that you have and the different assumptions that you make. Because modelers need to do that. When they're modeling something, they need to come up with what assumptions they're going to use when they create a model.